Hi guys, how's it going? Today I'm at Tangle River. It's right passing Tangle Lakes Campground. It's over here at the Denali Highway. I'm here, I'm gonna attempt to fly fish for grayling. I heard that it's really good. I'm gonna give it a try. Over here, oh look, my sister just got one right there. She just got a fish on the line. Look at that. First cast and she already has a fish on the line. That's nice. Alright, I'm gonna get in here and I'm gonna give it a try. I'm using a 4-way fly rod and I'm using this little nymph right here. I tied this myself in the winter. This is what I will be using, attempting to catch some grayling. Let's see how it goes. Oh, I got one. Oh, I got my first one, guys. Oh, I got another one. Oh, there's fish number 2, guys. Oh, this is bigger. Oh. There you go. Oh, I got one. Oh, este está más grande. This one's bigger.
That's a big fish right there.
Yeah, look.
Oh shit, okay, yeah, you have to do something.
The same one. Damn, look at this. This was bigger. I got another one, guys.
Nice. Oh yeah, put this bobber broke.
And she's gonna have to go get another one.
Where are they? All I have to do is switch back into these. We only have 2 days here, so that means these and what do you call it? And a pair of jeans for the last day. The last day is
I actually got one right now. Yeah, I got another one. I wasn't even trying to catch it too.
Caught one.
hopefully it's not by the side. Hopefully it's by the mouth.
I only caught 5.
So like just in case if it's
This
like
is
a
my
big
fifth
one,
one.
like you want to keep.
Yeah, it's very hard right now. Like he's fighting.